Baby's first feeding. It's already eating the blankie.
I know. Baby? Hey. Mom.
Good boy.
It just drooled out of his mouth. Mom. Move this bowl with your feet. Now. He's nomming on the spoon.
I don't know if he's actually swallowing it though.
I know. I made a rice milk mustache. Maybe I should have made a lot less than this.
Yay, good job,
I
baby.
don't know if it's going down though. It's more like it's gonna end up on his bib, I feel like. Small bites, small bites. Ready? One more.
Good boy. Sort of.
It's making it in his mouth. It's like that cup. He's like nomming on it, but I don't know if he knew what he was doing. He's not crying, so it's a good sign.
Good job, baby. I'm proud of you. Oh. Right when I said that.
I think Max just went into the tub.
Yeah. Let's go investigate. Max, what are you doing?
Is he in the tub?
Bad little kid. No. Did you get your feet wet?
He did?
I don't know. It's bath time.
Interesting children.
Bad kitty.
I can't tell if it's making it in his mouth or not.